Welcome to SA Logic Pro. In today's tutorial, you will see how to use SUMIF function by simple formula. So SUMIF function calculates the sum of values in a range based on a true or false condition. The condition is referred to as a criteria. So your condition is a criteria in SUMIF condition. So this criteria check things like whether the number is equal to certain number in your range, or is less than a certain number according to a condition, or is greater than a certain number according to your criteria or condition. Yes, today as an example, I use these regions and I use this series. So I want to sum up. In this series, I want to sum up values which is equal to Dodoma in this range. Also, we'll see how to sum up value in column B, which is equal to Singida in this series or in this range. Also, I will sum up series in this column B, which corresponds to the value in column A, which is equal to prime. By doing so, start with the equal sign, then SUMIF, open bracket, in this range, comma, I want to choose Dodoma, comma, then this is my range. So in this formula, this one is my criteria or my condition. So I want to sum up the number or series in this column, which correspond to the column A, which is equal to Dodoma. So the formula will select all data which correspond to the region Dodoma, to the Dodoma region, then we will sum up. So for example, this one Dodoma, it will take 100. Also this one Dodoma, it will take 100. We will sum up, so it will be 1 and 200. Also another Dodoma, this one, so it will be 200 and 2, will be 2000 and 200. So after that, because this one is in my range, so when I drag this one, I don't want to change. This one is my range, so I have to use $sign to close. Use the $sign. Use $sign. Yes, but this one I will not close. I will not close this one, because when I drag, I want to change these regions. I want to find the series which is correspond to Singida, Dodoma, Mbeya, Songwe, Pwani. Then enter. So when you see this one, it means the formula check the Dodoma region. We have this one, the Dodoma region, Dodoma region, and the formula sum up all these data which is equal to Dodoma, which is this one. Also this one, as you can see, this one is this one is a range, this one is a range of number which we are going to sum up, but this one is a criteria. This one is a criteria. So I want to sum up all series which correspond to the Singida region in my criteria or in my condition. So for example, Singida region is this one. Also another Singida region, this one. So when we sum up this one and this, will be 2040. There's two cells with the Singida region. So this is how you can use SUMIF function. Also, when I calculate val which is equal to Mbeya, let's say find the Mbeya region, this one is Mbeya, also this. So when you sum up, will be 3,500, like this one. So this is how you can use SUMIF function in your formula to use a certain condition or certain criteria. But also you can change this one to be not equal, to be not equal, to be not equal, to be not equal. When you put these two less than and greater than, symbol means not equal. So in this formula, it means we have sum up all val which is not equal to Dodoma. Also in this one, we have sum up all val which is not equal to Singida, as you can see. Also this one, we sum up all val which is not equal to Plan, which is not equal to Plan. So this one data in Plan, also this one has excluded, but all these one have been added. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next video of SUMIF condition. Thank you.